This is Sanjay Gangal from AEC Cafe. I'm here with Tony Connor, President of HagerSmith, and we'll also be joined later by Mel Dilde, Construction Contract Administrator. Hello, Tony.
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing great. Tony, can you briefly describe what HagerSmith Design does?
HagerSmith Design is a full-service architectural firm located in Raleigh, North Carolina. We provide architectural, interior, landscape architecture, and historic preservation services. We do work all over the East Coast, Tennessee, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina.
Okay, can you describe your workflow before PlanWell Collaborate came into picture?
For that question, I'm going to turn it over to Mel. And again, Mel Dilde is our Construction Contract Administrator.
How are you today?
Hi. So can you describe to us your workflow before PlanWell Collaborate came into picture?
In the approximately 11 years that I've been here, moving large files around, we've done a lot of different things to try to accomplish it, and with varying degrees of success. We try to we emailed files that we could email. Some things we would either print a hard copy or cut a CD and send it over by courier. We've used YouSendIt and similar programs to move files back and forth. And we've used our own FTP site, but we are the size of the firm. We're not large enough to have a full-time IT person, so the FTP site, keeping it up and reliable was an issue. And so that didn't work too well. And we've used consultants' FTP sites from time to time, and with basically the same attendant problems.
Okay, and how does Collaborate improve your workflow over this FTP and YouSendIt and other things that you were doing before?
Essentially, it just brings everything into a single package, a single way to do everything, to have a single point that is reliable, that we can contact and upload things for our consultants and then later for the contractor. But it just provides a one-point service that we can rely on to get files back and forth no matter how large they are.
Okay, and the next question, I guess, is more for Tony. Why did you choose Collaborate over other products?
Actually, the reason we chose Collaborate was had a lot to do with LSG here in Raleigh. We've looked at several different software packages that, they would handle one problem and not another, and we never could really get comfortable with some of the other programs that are out there. So we had an opportunity to meet with Wayne and his folks from LSG. They showed us PlanWell and Collaborate. They convinced Mel to give it a try, which he has. One of the things that they did let us do is we used PlanWell. We were getting ready to bid a public project, and we used PlanWell to distribute the bid documents, which then turned into us looking further into Collaborate. And the ease of use of the program and the responsiveness of LSG and you folks in California were really the reason that we chose the software.
That's great. And I'm assuming LSG is the reseller for ARC technology?
That is correct.
Okay, and the next question might be more for Mel. How has your user experience been so far?
The experience so far is we're working our way through the first large project, but the experience has been great. Again, I think Tony touched on this, but both the LSG people and the tech support people with PlanWell have been very responsive, have answered any questions very quickly, and we've basically not had any problems with it. And it's working very well, and I'm finding that when I invite somebody to a project, they're not having any problems going in, finding it. So it's user-friendly, it's intuitive to the point that they're not having any issues getting to what I'm sending them or uploading for them. And it's working very well.
And that's great. Tony, can you tell us If you have introduced Collaborate to any other consultants on this project?
As a matter of fact, we have. Due to some of our workflow issues in the past related to communicating large files back and forth, we've basically adopted the mentality that PlanWell is what we use, Collaborative is what we use now, and so our consultants, our engineering consultants now use PlanWell because that's our preference. With the large project that Mel had mentioned, the contractor, Choate Construction here in Raleigh, has also elected to buy some seats with Collaborate, and they're going to start using the product with their sub-consultants on the construction end. So we're really looking forward to see the product work fully through design and then through construction, and we're excited about it.
Thank you very much, Tony, and thank you very much, Mel, for coming over and talking to us. Have a great day.